Good day everyone. Today we are going to unbox the Oppo A17k. Smaller box. Free jelly case. Token. Charger and USB cord. It's a micro USB. It's a micro USB cable. SIM tray. Then power and fingerprint scanner. Volume buttons. Then your headphone jack and micro USB port. That's the unboxing of the Oppo A17k.